Hey everybody, today we are talking about the surface area of a cone. We should all know what a cone looks like, but here's the three-dimensional form of it. So there are two formulas that you are going to learn today. One is called lateral surface area. All right, lateral surface area means if I had a cone, I need to find the radius of the base, so that's pretty easy. And I also need the slant height. We denote that with a little cursive L. All right, our formula for lateral surface area is pi times the radius times the slant height. All right, and so lateral surface only finds the area of this part, not the circular base. So this little part, when I open up my cone, which I'm about to do, remember it looks something like this. So my lateral surface area is only the area of this part right here. All right, it kind of looks like a semicircle, something like this, but it does not include the circle on it. All right, lateral surface area is only that outer edge of the cone. All right, so let me put my cone back together. So lateral surface area is just the area of this part around it. And you do it by pi times r times slant height. Now, total surface area, you can kind of just guess, right? If I have the lateral surface area and I want the area of the circle on the bottom, well, what is the formula for a circle? It's pi r squared. So remember, pi r L, that is lateral surface area, plus the base's area. So that is where this formula comes from. I want to do a couple of examples with you. All right. Actually, let me lay that flat. All right, so I've got a cone here, and it gives me some measurements. It tells me that 5 centimeters is the slant height, so I just labeled it L. I've got a radius of 4. That's all I need for my formula. Pi times r times L. Well, that's pi times 4 times 5. Which is 20 pi, so whenever I punch that into the calculator, I get 62.8 centimeters squared. All right, the reason I did that is because the question asked me for the lateral surface area, but I'm taking it one step further, and I want to do the total surface area as well. Remember that it's just the lateral plus the area of the base, the circle. So I already did the 62.8 here, so I just plugged it here. And then plus pi r squared, our radius is 4, so that ends up being 16 pi. I plug that into the calculator, and my total surface area, the area of the entire thing, is 113.04 centimeters squared. So the side on the outer edge is 62.8. The total is 113.04. All right, on this next example, it says find the total surface area. Well, in order to find the total surface area, you still need to find the lateral surface area. That pi RL is part of the formula. That's the lateral surface area. So I just went ahead and wrote them both down. The lateral surface area, that's the area of the outer edge, is pi RL. Well, my R is 6 and my L is 10. Pi times 6 times 10 is 60 pi. All right, so that means my lateral surface area is 188.4. So then I put that into my formula here, plus pi r squared plus pi 6 squared. That gives me plus 36 pi. And I end up with 301.44 inches squared. All right, your worksheet is posted. You have until midnight. Good luck, and I'm here for questions.